Cub Cadet foot lever pedal extension. This is an invention I made to go on the foot pedal of my Cub Cadet riding lawnmower. It goes on the forward and reverse pedal. I overworked my knee this summer, and I had to make something to help get me through the mowing season. As you can see, it works rather well. I can go forwards or backwards using the hand lever. I made it out of a piece of rebarb and some angle iron and a bolt and a couple of pipe clamps I put around the pedal just to hold it on temporary. And as you can see, it works rather well, and I don't have to use my foot. See, I can go forwards or I can go in reverse. This is just a simple attachment to my foot pedal on my Cub Cadet riding lawnmower. This is so I don't have to use my foot and my knee as much. If you're an older person or you have leg problems and you think you can't use a riding lawnmower, this is just a simple homemade extension that'll help you operate it without using your foot. If you want to work bad enough, you'll figure something out in life. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope this gives you an idea.